am the last dog. Close it up. Alright, I'm all done cleaning my room. It looks smell far, smell good. Smell Maxi Pooch. What were you going to say when I was done cleaning my room? Well, I'm really excited to tell you that, you know our dogs that you just organized? Mash. Well, we can give them a bath, but not plain washing with actual water. You mean these ones? Uh-huh. Well, I absolutely love your idea. What one do you want to take? I want to take this one. All right, and I'll take this one. All right. Wait, what's this one's name again? Coco, and mine is Cookie, remember? Oh yeah, Coco and Cookie. Close it up. All right, I'm going to get all the bath things set up. Okay. Everything's set up, Maxi Pooch. I'm here. Oh, here are the dogs. Thank you. That's my dog. And what bath would you like? I have 2 baths for us. Ooh, I want this red one. Okay, I'll get this one. First we have to pour in the water. Mash, we have to pour in the water. Ooh, it's getting filled, it's getting filled, it's getting filled. Mine too. And just enough water. And ready? Yep, you're gonna go in the water. Hang on. Plop. How does the water feel? It is warm, it is warm. Well, I'm glad you like it. You too. Woo! So warm. Oh wait, now let me get you all wet. Alright, I'm gonna get some shampoo and conditioner. Shampoo and conditioner. Oh man, wait, what? But I literally just saw it here. Huey, I have them, see? Oh, I was so distracted on my dog. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna need a shampoo bottle. What about me? I wanna. Mash, I'm gonna make bubbles. There's already bubbles in there, as you can see. Now let me foam some up. Alright, that should be enough. Me too, I want bubbles. And now we have to mix it. Wait, stay with our puppy for a minute. Whatever her name is, Cookie. Wow, I see it foaming up. Woo, there we go. Mine too. Mix mine up. I see bubbles. They're starting to come. Here we go. Plop you in. Looks small. Cool. And now we need a conditioner. To wash them. Oh, Maxi Pooch, can you go get the sponges? I'll have this one, and I'll have this one. Because blue is my favorite color. Squirt some shampoo. Conditioner. Alright. Ooh, bubbly bubbles. Now let me wash you. Hey, this is really cool what you do with the sponges. When you soak them with water, water comes out. Same here, Terry. Now let me start washing you, Coco. Look how many bubbles. Mine too. All right. Are you rolling around? let me put this back. And he's all full of bubbles. Oh, oopsie. Oops. All right, nothing spilled. Let's wash him. Squeeze. What I'm going to do is I'm going to squeeze one on my dog. Rinse him off. Here's bubbles all over him. Mine too, Chowie. I love bubbles. Splash, splash, splash. You know what would make them have more fun? Well, rubber duck. Can I have it? Sure, Max Pooch, and I'll have it. Plop. There we go. Oh, and the funny thing is that you soak them up with bubbles and squirt them. Oh man, this is actually pretty cool to wash our dogs. Look at my dog, he's all full of foam. I want to try. Oh, he's full of bubbles. Squirt, 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 squirt. Oh man. Look at that. Whoa. Rubber ducks are amazing. Wait, let me squirt with a sponge. My turn, my turn. Beep, beep, beep. All right, well, let's take the sponges out because we're not using them anymore. Miss, let's take the sponges out. Ooh, our hands are full of soap. Plop them in the bowl for now. Don't worry, they'll dry. Yes, but we don't want to put them on the bench. No, not to ruin them. Uh-oh, water leak, water leak. Oh, it's okay, I'll go get a towel. I'll get a towel, Max Pooch. Thank you, Chowie. You're welcome. Don't worry, I'm getting it. Don't worry. Don't worry, Max Pooch. It's only a little leak. It don't matter. It's all dry now. And let's keep this towel over here in case we have any more accidents. Yes. Do you hear that sound? It smells satisfying. Mesmerizing. Yeah. What does mesmerizing mean? You'll know when you're older. Look at my dog. Whoa, did you see that? Mine is all foamy. Mine too. Take the duck out. Squirt out foam. I love it. Alright, I think we're all done playing with the rubber duck now. Mace, and I think it's time for them to get out for their nap. Schmo. First, let me squeeze. Wait, squeeze. Alright, put it in the bowl, and now I have to dry it off. Alright, and now we are ready to get out. Schmo. Blue, blue for me. Wait, Mo. What? I kind of wanted the blue. And didn't I get here first? Max, not dish again. Come on, you know better that I got it first. I'm pretty sure it was me, Chowie. Mo, it wasn't, Max Pooch. I got it fair and square. But blue is my favorite color. Still, it don't matter, Max Pooch. But please. Max Pooch, I'm sorry, but I got here first. See? The dogs are whining because you won't give me that towel. And we started arguing. Maxie Pooch, you know that they're only plastic toys and they do not cry. Well, they're real to me. Maxie Pooch, there's a one right there for you. But blue is my favorite color, Charlie. Who cares if blue is your favorite color? I got here first. All right. Maxie Pooch, I'm sorry, but I got there first. And it's only fair. Fine, I forgive you. Oh, Maxie Pooch. Alright, now I'm going to put the blanket down like that. Take my dog out. Ugh. Look at him. Alright, and let me put the dog there. Alright, and now let me wrap you up. I'm gonna wrap. Aw, you wrapped him up so cute, Charlie. Alright. My dog out too. First, let me dry him a bit with the thing. Get a bit of soap out. There we go. And then let me put this down. Nice and cozy. They look like little bundles of joy. That's cute. Alright, let's go. Let's go to my room, Mike's Pooch. Yeah. Alright, here we are. Yeah. Oh, whoopsie. Make sure they're not. Alright, there we go. Oh no, my dog fell out. Let's put them to sleep in my bed. Alright. First, I'm going to dry off mine. Yeah, there we go. And put my dog in. Alright, Max Pooch, put your dog in. First, I have to dry him. Wait, could he sleep on the soft chair? It's so comfy. Charlie, can you put him to bed? Because I'm relaxing on your soft chair. Alright. There we go. And I'm going to cover them up with my blanket. It's not big, but still, I can cover them up with it. And I need them to sleep anyway. We need them to sleep. Alright, Max Pooch, they're sound asleep. Let me put towels up here. Max Pooch, look. Oh, they're so sweet. How are you guys doing? Shh. What? Oh, our dogs were pretending that they're babies and they're asleep. Oh, guys, you know that they're only plastic. But still, we like to pretend. Yes. Well, it's supper time now, guys, so do you want to come down and eat supper? Sure, we'd love to. Come on, Max Pooch. Wait, should we kiss our doggos? Oh, yeah. Have a nice nap. It seems like we're fathers. I know. I want to be a father when I grow up. Yeah, being a dad is really cool.